learn phrases, not just words. What you do, you just learn the words, like you don't read it in context. So if you read the word with phrases with context, then it will help you to when you are using it in your sentences, it will help you to connect with those words where you have to use it. So like, for example, I will explain it with an example. Like, instead of learning the only beautiful, one should try to learn it like this. That's a beautiful idea, or that dress is very beautiful. So always try to learn any word in context. Don't learn the word exactly. Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is very special because we are going to talk about something, and that so many of you have asked about how to learn and improve the spoken English. So, before we dive in, I would love to introduce myself for the viewers who are watching me for the first time. So, my name is Rajni Singh, and I come from the beautiful state of Uttar Pradesh. And by profession, I'm a teacher and I hold a master's degree. I'm also a proud mother of two kids. Along with that, I run this YouTube channel with a simple motto to support and guide people who are struggling with learning and spoken English. So I'm also striving to become an advanced speaker of this language, and through this process, I have discovered that learning is the most beautiful when it is shared. So I also love reading books, listening to music, and connecting with people from different background and diverse cultures. So I love to know others' perspective, their point of view on things related to life as well as towards English language. So through this journey, I have learned so many things from others as well, and I really feel blessed each and every single day because I have I got this opportunity to connect with people. So thank you so much, everyone. And please, who are watching me for the first time, like the video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. So let's dive in the video. One of the learner have asked me this question. Sometimes I forget words while speaking, and I also get nervous when speaking with fluent speakers. So my advice for such learners is that this is so common, but don't worry, confidence comes with practice. So my advice is, don't worry about grammar in the beginning, focus on expressing yourself and keep a small notebook of new words and try to use them in sentences, as well as record yourself speaking and listening, listen it back or re-watch your videos which you have recorded, and this way you will improve very fast. As well as, most importantly, don't compare yourself with others. Everyone has their own journey. So these are some tips which will help you. My few of tips which I would like to share with all of you is, like, thinking English, the first tip, which is I always recommend to everyone, just start thinking in English. So don't translate from your mother tongue every time. Now you have to start thinking in English. The second tip is practice daily for at least 10 to 15 minutes with consistency. You don't have to break your continuity. So even the small conversations matter. So try to practice daily for 10 to 15 minutes. And there are so many apps and AI apps are there where you can talk to with your AI partner as well. Or there are so many co-learners on various the platforms which will help you to connect with them, and this way uh, you can improve your spoken language as well. So the third tip I would like to share you, do self talk or mirror talk. So mirror talk is really one of the technique which boost the confidence. So I will recommend you to do this mirror talk only just for, if you don't have much time, do it for 5 minutes, and if you have time, do it for 10 to 15 minutes every day. So speak to yourself in front of mirror. It builds confidence. The fourth point I would like to mention is learn phrases, not just words. What you do, you just learn the words, like you don't read it in context. So if you read the word with phrases with context, then it will help you to when you are using it in your sentences, it will help you to connect with those words where you have to use it. So like, for example, I will explain it with an example. Like, instead of learning the only beautiful, one should try to learn it like this. That's a beautiful idea, or that dress is very beautiful. So always try to learn any word in context. Don't learn the word exactly. So the last and very important tip I would like to share to all of you is surround yourself with English. Immerse yourself in English. So, how will you do it? If you're watching a movie, try to watch it in English. If you're watching YouTube videos and podcasts, try to watch it in English with subtitles. If you're at the beginner's level, it will definitely help you to improve your English. And listening practice is also very important, because when you listen to somebody, you get so many sentence structures, so many new vocabs, and how to the rhythm, um, how to um, how to not sound like a monotonous, and how to create a rhythm during speaking. So these are the few things which I wanted to share with all of you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I expect in this way, if you practice English, it will help you a lot improving your spoken English. Here I would like to mention one more tip, which is a bonus tip for you. You should try to write something, which is called as journaling. And when you read any news or article in a newspaper or in a story, or you have watched any podcasts or videos, then you try to summarize it in your own words. Even single page matters. So continue learning English. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe my channel and like it and share with your friends if you find it useful.